In this program, we would like to extract the number of years and days and months from the given input. It's a very good exercise and very practical also for industry needs about how to extract such things. Let's think about it. If you have some days, let's say 391 days, what happens when you divide such a number by 360? This tells us how many 360s in the input, right? For example, 391 divided by 360 would be just 1, because there is only a single year in this number. So we can get the years in a very easy way. Just divide the number by 360. Now we would like to get the remaining of the days after removing a single year. One can do that in several ways, but the easiest way is just to remove the number of years using the mod. If you got the mod of 360 mod 391 mod 360, the remaining would be only the 31, which weren't part of the complete years here. So now after you do that, the days will be only 31. In a very similar way, we can extract the number of months. Every month is 30 days. So if we divided here days by 30, then 31 by 30 is just 1. So again, we have a single month. If we applied the mod over this number, we get the just 31 modulus 30 would be 1. So as you see, this is the core trick here. By division, you get the core units of 360. By modulus, you get the remaining after extracting that. By dividing by 30, you get the number of months. By applying modulus, you get the same of that. A very similar concept can be applied in many things. That's all.